Right, good morning everyone. I've got a few bits to show you this morning before we get on and do something different. Now, I have to say, my two youngest sisters bought me some tools and I was absolutely thrilled. So my the sister that's below me, Alison, she bought me this. It's the hacksaw. Absolutely perfect. Love it. Not going to lose it. It's green. But actually, it's quite nice. So I'm going to see if I can get into this thing. And I wanted one for doing fine work with my jewellery. And then I wanted one for doing, like cutting the pipes. You know, the clay pipes that I've shown you before. You know, from the... to make beads with. As well as Raymond bought me the Dremel as well. So I've got that. But this is the one, this is a 300mm 12-inch blade. And I'm going to have to keep the label so I make sure I always get the right blade if I need one. Let me just get into it. I don't know about you, but I do find sometimes they make these package that, oh, it just peeled off. I was going to say they make the packaging hard. That wasn't really hard. Oh well. Yeah, I'm going to keep that, so that I'll just cut that. I don't need the bottom bit, I don't think. Do I? No. No, I don't need that. I'll just keep that one. Excuse me, so that I know what I need. If I ever need to replace the blade. So, I tell you what, it's quite... If my sister's watching, it's sturdy. That's one thing. So I'm thrilled at that. Oops. How would you get into it? There we go. Done it. Yeah, isn't that good? So I don't need that bit. That's brilliant. And a good size handle on it as well. Oh, bum. Oh! Oops. Yeah, nice hacksaw with a nice size blade. Or I can say I can get the blade out there. And a thumb rest, which is good. When you're sewing, you need that. So that's brilliant, Alison. So thank you so much. And that's the sister that's younger, 3 years younger than me. I'm absolutely thrilled with that, actually. So that's that. And then my youngest sister, who is 3 years younger than Alison, she bought me this one, which is perfect. And it's got different blades with it as well. Look at that. Perfect. Brilliant. I'm absolutely thrilled with that. So my two sisters have been so kind and generous to me. They've bought me exactly what I wanted. I went, don't get me chocolates and flowers and that. I don't want things, you know, like that. And then it's got all the attachments. There's like sanders, fresh blades, new attachments. Oh, and look, it's also got one of those. Oh, wow, that's absolute. Don't they want you to get these out? Oh, it's got one of those as well. So between my two sisters, they've made my day. I'm thrilled. Thrilled, thrilled, thrilled with all of that. So thank you, ladies. So now I've got exactly what I need to do the jobs I need to do. And then the one that's 3 years younger than me, Alison, who got the green one, she's got with it a certificate of achievement awarded Fiona Jennings on your 60th for superior achievement and excellence in being a fantastic sister. 25th of March 2021. Signed, Alison, sister. That's brilliant. So what I'm going to do with that, Ali, is I'm going to get that framed and put that up. I think that's brilliant. And it means a lot to me. So thank you so much for that, sweetheart. So that's my sister Alison. She also bought me a ring and I got some other goodies. Now, I've got these. I'm not sure if anybody wants them. They're free to anybody who wants them. And it's first come, first serve. What they are, they're earrings. You've got the L shape. And there's 6 packs in that one. And the J. And there's 6 packs in those. So if anybody wants those, they're free. First come, first serve on this video. They just come out some I managed to get some jewellery packs, some bargains, and they were in it, and they're no use to me. Now, I did get some of these. And let's just go to this one. This was the one that's dried now completely, where I'll put the glitter in. And now I can give that a coat of varnish, and I'll pop that up somewhere, because that's the first one I've done that I've shown you lot. This was what was left on my deck. Do you remember what was left? And it was on... Oh, let's get rid of these. These are in. We've got more of these in. The eggs. To do the egg thing that I've been showing you. And all you do is you take that bit off. Just use your knife and that one off. Fill that in if you want. And then you can make the eggs that you want to make. Do whatever you like. But they're in. I've got some extra ones in. So that's that one. Oh, boom, it's dropped on the floor. That'll do. Now, this was the spare paint that I had. And I left it on there. And as you can see, it did fit somewhere around there. Like that. And I've peeled it off because you can make... That's dry now. You can make jewellery with it. So I got some of these. The cabochons. And I bought the large ones. Because I'm going to do a project. But I love purple, as you know. And that, to me, is going to be perfect. So all you do... You take your glue. And I don't want the bits in it like that. And then you take that. And you put that exactly where you want it to be. Press it down, you can move it about. And then let that dry. And that's gorgeous. But I'm going to show you what to do with it, because you can turn all of this into jewellery. So I'm just going to quickly cut around it. Leave it a bit of a gap. So this is all the dried paint that was left over. And I just poured it onto the deck. And let it dry. And it dries like paper. Now you can cover books. Depending on the... I spread mine out a little bit. But you can, if you leave it thick enough, you can cover books with it and that. Look, it's just like paper. Because it's got glue in it. And it's really, really good. So, I've put that on. That will dry. I'm just going to now quickly trim it round. Okay, so I can still go around all of that and do another one. Let's just do another one. Choose another bit. Oh, I like this bit here. See that bit? There, that's got purple in. Do I like that bit? No, I like that bit. Oops, nearly dropped it then. Let me just see which bit I want, because there's this nice bits in this. Okay, you don't want that clumpy bit in. I actually like that bit there. Do I like that bit there? No, I like that there. So just put that on like that. Do I like that bit? Yeah, I do. I like that. So I'm just going to cut that. And you just keep going until you've used up all you need. Okay? And then I'm going to show you what to do with this. If it'll work. May not. So we've got those cabochons ready to play with. Okay. Now, I'm going to let them dry a little bit while I share the next bag. So that's those. I'm actually going to put those in one of my jars. So you'll have to excuse me. I only had one left, and I thought, oh no, God, I'm going to have to order some more. Because I love putting these on projects, especially you know, when you're doing a wall hanging or something like that. So there you go. I've got my little jar of them when I'm ready to use them. Keep your bags. You never know where they're going to come in handy. Put them up there. The next thing I got, so we're letting that dry. Leave that over there for now. And look, this will all scrape off. You just scrape it off, ready for the next lot, or next job you're doing. Then these arrived, because I needed some more beads. So I bought blue, red, amber, petrol blue, and gold. And they come in strings. See, like that. And then I can just add them to my crystal oops a daisy. Do you know what I do with them? I just do that because I use them all the time. I'm making constantly jewellery and things like that, and I just put them in like that and mix them all in with my others. Oh my. Oh, by the way, we've still got some of the scissors in. I think we've 4 sets left. So, and they are fantastic quality scissors. They're strong, sturdy and sharp. Very sharp. So if you're interested in getting the scissors, we do have 4 packs left. Plus the gold mat that we have like this, but it's gold. And it's a heavy duty one. Non-stick mat. And I don't see anybody else selling them. But we do have them in. Oh, I got that then, look. There we go, got it out. But like I say, yeah, we've got the scissors and the mats in, so you can still get those in the shop. And I'll get some more in order because we always sell these. They're really good quality scissors. I've had mine a while now. Right, let's get back. Oh, I want to put that in that. Oh, here it is. This is just a jar of beads that I'll sell because I don't want them. I won't use that red one. See, there's some I just won't use. Put them all in there and just sell them as a job lot. Right, we've got these. Let me just see if I've got a cleaner side to my mat. Probably not. Well. So, we've got these and I love them. They just look really pretty.